Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Latcho with Makatawa Unmanned Systems. Can't quite see my breath in the camera, but let me tell you, it's cold out. It's 16 degrees, so we can't fly our normal Mavic. What are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna get the Mavic 2 Enterprise Duo out, and we're gonna show it to you. But first, hit subscribe. Then we'll be right back with what's in the box. So let's check this bad boy out, shall we? This is the drone we've been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Mavic 2 Enterprise Duo. What does that mean? I have thermal capabilities as well as an RGB camera capability, which we're going to have to show you in another video. However, this video, we need to check this thing out and see what's in the box. So first off, you're going to notice everyday run-of-the-mill directions and your manuals, right? So you gotta have those. Move those over there. I've got the propellers. What I'm gonna do with those, I'm gonna put them on my drone in a minute when I actually put this thing together. So I have that. Then I have an extra set of props, which is great just in case something happens. Next, I've got a battery charger, which by the way, I'm probably gonna need in a second because this thing probably isn't charged yet. And then I got my cable. Next, you have this box over here. This box is called the cable box. Mavic 2 cable box. What's in that? Well, let me tell you. It's a whole bunch of cables. So, you ever wonder, hey, I got my iPhone and I'm good, but I have an Android, I'm not so good. I need to change the cable, right? So, there you go. I also think, on those controllers, I have those little knobby things that I use. Shoot, I just lost a couple. Guess what? In your cable box is an extra set. Sweet! I also have more cables and, in essence, more connectors and another cable, just in case you want to connect it to one of those things called a tablet. So you've got all those in your Mavic 2 cable box. Next, you'll notice the really sweet stuff that comes with any Mavic 2 Enterprise, to include the zoom version. I have a speaker. I have a light, floodlight. I also have a strobe light for those nighttime operations, so I can get my FAA waiver for daytime from daytime ops, so I can actually fly at night. Sweet, eh? So I got those. Next, you'll notice I've got the controller. What's in the controller? Well, I got one of those crazy cables. I open the controller up. Guess what? There's my knobs right there. But remember, in case I lose some, I got one extra set at least. So there's your controller that comes with it. Now lastly is the drone. What does this thing look like? Well, it comes with a battery on it. Battery's probably not going to be charged, right? Not charged. So we're going to have to charge this bad boy up in order to take it for a flight here in a little bit. So we're going to have to take this thing off. Just like the other Mavics, you got a dual pull or a push and a pull, battery comes off. So I'm going to charge that bad boy up and then we're going to take it flying. So wait for the next video to come out so you can see us flying this bad boy in the middle of winter. Because why? That battery that I just put behind here is a self-heating battery. So remember, you can buy more self-heating batteries for this, and that way you can fly when it's really cold out like today, which is in the teens. All right, lastly, let's show you this. I've got the cover of the camera coming off, and there you go, folks. Let's take a look at this. So we've got the camera. The camera's pretty sweet. It's a duo. Hence the duo.
It's by FLIR. It does both thermal and RGB. On the thermal side, you got a 160 by 120. The visual camera on this is a 12 megapixel. So it's fairly good. You can get a lot of shots. It's just like the other Mavic, the original Mavic with a 12 megapixel. As far as sensing, you'll notice we have forward, we have backward, we have upward, we've got downward, and we have sides. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing has everything.
So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, the Mavic 2 Enterprise Duo. What's in the box? And oh, by the way, you get the box. Hey, take this time to go down here, hit subscribe, like this video, hit us with a comment, question, anything like that. We'll get back to you. In the meantime, catch you later.